viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your program called Talk to the Camera with me, Konnah Sesay. As plenty people on a grumble and rumors don't go around of how difficult it is for get transport and net for meet up the 11 o'clock curfew. Today we can work on a client town for talk to people where they take transport for go dead east. But make we know for them, how true this be? Is it true that they suffer for get transport for go eastern? And also know from them what they go like for tell the drivers union people them. Hello, welcome to this interview. You go please tell me who say you the rush for go to now?
Right, I rush for going to Shell. But normally I can stay for transport in this time of the night.
Alright. So presently where the curfew day on, so how it like for you for take transport from this part for go na Shell?
We thought and difficult because the apprentices that we talk to them normally, they insist about the price control. They say power for getting 3,000. You don't notice, I don't see out my eyes. Like it's our power. Pass to work as we take go client town. You go get boss.
Alright. So from here, so from Malta Street here for going to Shell, now how much if you say somebody supposed for pay, and how much the apprentice then can tell you now for pay?
Normally I keep pay 1,500, but since from last month I keep pay them 2,000 from what the Eastern fell up, what they begin after. What the fell they begin the crisis problem. Normally at 2,000 every day 2,000. So I'm like tell you 3,000, but no they go clients are go load per bus.
So
2,000.
So presently we curfew then at 3,000 they say on for pay.
3,000 na 3,000.
So what you go tell people they listen and watch you now, but this constraint where you they face?
What I go tell people and for me they help we. Me they talk to the driver then, the apprentice, so me they go able help we. Me they put price in control.
Let you thank you to you.
Okay.
Yes, ma. You go please tell me from who side you the rush for go so?
I don't go join. I dey take from Eastern Police to Clienttown 3,000. From Clienttown to Wellington 3,000. From Wellington to Joy 3,000. From 3,000 I pay 4,000 I go Batalo.
So that means you're not able to get direct.
I don't see no more now. You don't see what they suffer. Suffering is how they pass through. Now could they time they beat me for love for West Road. So the better go sleep on Frobe Road to my small brother. I like to go.
What you go tell drivers union concerning this constraint here?
May they help the government, may they beg for the government. Do you this coffee and make them take a pull up for we are the Watalo. Now we they stay more. But you watch him on how they go open door to run. Make this motor car and no go direct, no go Wellington, no go Calbaton. Wow. You don't sell no, when they get better sell. If you sell 150,000, you don't get off. If you don't get money, begin spend half till they reach, you don't spend 80 or 20. Now better thing for we in this country, we dey suffer. We dey suffer. Baby, me cannot see that kind of suffer past anybody. Me na single parent. I get 5 picky, I get 4 grand picky. Me na sufferer. If I don't count the empty sapona they sell, I get what I dey eat. Feed me picky, if I can't find a transport. Now better thing that day. They are the government. They are less sorry for we for the transport. They are for the coffee that do ya. Because if you don't have 28 o'clock, so they can go be easy for we forget transport business. They are the government. They are less sorry for this coffee. Me, Kadiden can say missing. They are the government.
Hello and welcome to this interview. You go tell me who say you the head for now?
I dey go low cost. All good.
Alright. So what thing it can take you for make you go low cost by then hour there?
Well, work it up because I can go train, work it don't come out train. I can late, so like I come out then 5 o'clock. I can't map here at times then 8 o'clock and I get transport. Yeah, but normally not be there so. I believe saying that because of this coffee, I make it there so.
Because of the coffee, I make it there so. But then presently, how much you they pay transport for go low cost? And also, if not the same amount you be they pay before the coffee they come, you go please tell me.
Okay, well. All along, I be dey pay 2,000 because I can get motor for go. Then for now, I can't map say at times I dey even tell the motor say I dey go low cost 5,000. They say no, and they go past like ace the price. Wey be say I no get that money there for go unless I get for wait for the one who say me hand reach for la go, then I can wait.
So this na a great constraint for you, right?
Yeah.
But then somebody else go talk say the curfew day for protect yourself so that you go not say this sick a day and we need for protect ourselves for make we not go get am. What you go say?
Well, the initiative nice. I believe saying for world we better one. Well, we dey tell Papa government thank you for what they do because if kind like this not been there, we know how they do things. But better way them put on. So I believe say myself go advise my friends say let we not listen on streets, and because of this and this make them put this, let we understand ourselves.
So finally, because of the constraints they get to drivers them, what's going to be your final word to drivers union?
Well, I plead to the drivers union them, let them look to we constraint. We not get, we they try, and now we they work for. Because if they not get passenger, they not get what's in they want. So we they plead to them, let them see so we constrain, let them help we.
Let you take it.
Yeah.
When they say 5,000, the left for 12,000 now they pay for Watalo to song. They pay 12, they pay 15,000. They agree for load we. They suffer. Who don't Watalo suffer? They go outside. One goes outside. They walk in the mud. Calbato and then they take questions and they agree for take you. They suffer. Look how that's for money today. Because you don't get motoka. Take you in a street. They don't say coffee order. What the hell would do? They don't pay one them. So I don't suffer because you don't get motoka that way. Government must know the pastor now. Them one they excuse we, papa. They excuse we.
Alright. Now money in the way you they come na town. Now so you can tell back.
Yes, money no start the money na was safe. Because money take the calendar for 5,000. What talking cost you good. If it's about the same to suffer the suffer, money on net of the suffer. Look what she do right now. From 7 o'clock to I can what come this morning. Look what she don't say now. I don't go. I don't pay 5,000. The person pay 15, 20,000 for Watalo. We dey still dey suffer. The government help with you.
If Nakoba Kerry then complains there, so and think about the time of the curfew. How much o'clock una fit say it go be right for making them push the time?
The time they put to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock we dey able. Let them left to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock we able. But look that one. So na skit there. Look how old. Age of 50 that one na skit. They suffer no one they suffer. We dey suffer.
Thank you to you.
Like me, wetin kick out me na song. And for camp vocal, becoming a musician, being a new school star. But like all the common Watalo, if you not get 5, 6, 7,000 loans that you earn, you know they ever go. Because the driver they don't pass mark per way. They take halfway boku. Some man they take Watalo say they can't left in a jewel, but they can pound song. So like if you don't pay 4,000 loans, common Watalo can't jewel. When you come back, they can't pay other 4,000 loans back for good song. So like if you don't lend 20,000 loans that you earn, you're work right now. We don't tire with this kind of situation.
Alright.
We tire.
Somebody go talk say this supposed to stop because right now na curfew. Driver them for understand so na need for go now na OCM before 11 o'clock. So you go please tell people they listen and watching now. Is it that it gets worse during the curfew or na so it be done they happen?
And this year be done they happen before the coffee self. Because people don't know they suffer before this coffee. So like the way the coffee come, it just can worse. And government ever know say people and they suffer. So you know what can say. Men give it 11 o'clock where you know say people they come out far and the government they pass back per way. Yes, we don't say any kind of way now for protect you make this 11 o'clock. But they suffer. The time not enough for we. And if you there half past 11, such a man policeman they embarrass you. Definitely. People they suffer, look at them. So people they come out Wasalo, now beg they can't beg that song. So if you remember, how much o'clock they come out? How much o'clock and the driver they look you by face. When they know say you bounce, you don't bounce by them, they know they take you.
So finally, what you go tell drivers union concerning what in driver and they do so?
Okay, me go and tell the drivers. The union say, do you make them tell the overall members and say, do you make them put everything down? Because government don't tell we say, possible pay from Wasalo to Freetown 4,000 loans. But the driver then say because of fuel crisis, they make that day. Do you make them left and that 3,000 every day? Don't want them say direct, make go direct. And me, I the plead to the officers there. Anybody that catch you that halfway, make them deal with them.
Plenty, thank you to you.
Okay.
Well, no me I dey work for urgent money. You don't take this money I come back for crafting for kaya too. 3,000 they pay for one day. The church na 5,000. One day you go back to church 7,000. Church you know. If they break back, don't show people that they suffer back. I want make like comment for help there driver there for push yanton. All time for the champion there. But cool people that they suffer me you don't suffer stay for the dinner this. And then go to the mama don't die. Now bigger no more day no more. Say I do for urgent money. I'm back at this. Papa don't die. Mama don't die. And then nobody now. Now neighbor no more day. I make like comment to help me.
So the same amount where they cost you for common Watalo canton and the same they cost you back for return?
Yes. Now for coach for go Watalo for go Gaftin to na 5,000. It is the cost all time for driver there. I make all time.
when you come back now, money you pay other 5,000.
Yeah, for come back, only the deliver for come back na 5,000 back.
Pay before enter.
You dey pay back for enter.
Viewers, una sef don listen to people waiting at Klein Town presently. They wait for get transport for Konnah Waterloo. Then people here don't complain of how difficult it is for get transport for Konnah Waterloo, especially now where the curfew they on. Then they send message to drivers union and also to Nakovac say this time when at 11 o'clock it not to go down well with them at all because they suffer and at times not being able to get transport for reach na us in time. Then they send message say drivers union for member them and for talk to the driver them say then for go easy on them. Me will bring the program country today. My name is Konnah Sesay. Until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.